can go on.
I'm a, my name is Sushil Jain. I have been a manufacturing man starting with IIT Kharagpur, one of the first batches, and did BTech and MTech. And after that, I have been with very large companies like Larsen and Toubro. I was head of manufacturing, plus Birla's, I was head of again a heavy manufacturing. Plus, when my son also graduated from IIT, I made sure that he goes into manufacturing. So he has a manufacturing unit of his own now. And I have a lot to say about what I have gone through and what things look like tomorrow now. When we started, it was impossible almost to get an approval for anything you want to do, and for anything that you had to do, you had to take approvals. And it was a not only awful lot of waste of time, it was awful disincentive for people to get into that. So people in my age, they wanted only to go abroad to USA or other places and make their careers there. Now that, especially in 1991, when the opening occurred, I found such a big difference that we wanted to make, where the companies I was working with, we wanted to make cement plants, and it was almost impossible to start manufacturing, because they'll say, no, you don't have the industrial license, you don't have the this, you don't have that. But now it's after that it started, and we could make that, we could see the immediate difference, that we could go to an extent which needed no license, anything, and therefore we could do a lot more of things, which in fact did result into the very quick pace of development which took place from 1991 onwards. And now is the next stage it has come, because it has come to a place where it's impossible to get finance at the reasonable terms. My son, who is now working, he gets, on an average, he pays not less than about 15% per year. Whereas it should be possible, in my opinion, if all incentives are given, I'm talking within Indian context, to get that finance for only about 9% or 10%. And that will make such a big difference. It can make a difference of 3 times of people of what they are doing today. And therefore I would say, I say a lot of things going on now, and finance minister says that it will be, things will be made easier, and I'm sure it will be made easier now, and therefore people will take a jump.